How to study. Time management. Set aside a set amount of time each day for studying and plan your week accordingly. This could take an hour or perhaps 3 hours. Your grades will also go up as a result. Depending on your field of study and whether you're in high school or college, the amount will change. Make sure to follow your timetable as closely as you can, but don't be afraid to deviate from it occasionally to spend additional time studying for the most recent exam. Make sure this study schedule is doable and not unrealistic. 1. Take it slow. Determine the ideal study pace for you and make the necessary adjustments. You'll learn some ideas or subjects more rapidly since they'll come more naturally to you. You might need twice as long for some tasks. Take as much time as you require, studying at your own pace. 2. Take time to rest. Schedule enough time to allow for adequate rest. Make the most of your study time by getting a good night's rest every night. This is crucial in the weeks leading up to the test, but it's crucial in particular the day before the test. Studies have shown that getting enough sleep enhances memory and attention, which is helpful for taking tests. 3. Get rid of all thoughts not related to the subject you are studying. If you have a lot on your mind, take a moment before you begin studying to jot down some notes for yourself about what you are considering and how you are feeling. This will enable you to concentrate fully on your work while also helping to clear your mind. 4. Discourage electronic diversion. Electronic devices are among the worst distractions when studying. They are connected to social media, your phone is set up to receive text messages, and your laptop is connected to the internet. If someone texts or calls, put your phone on silent or keep it in your bag so it won't disturb you. Avoid opening your laptop or connecting it to the internet if at all possible. 5. Find a decent place to learn. Take charge of your study area. For better enjoyment when learning, you should feel at ease. Find somewhere far more comfortable to sit if you detest sitting at a table in the library, such as your sofa or a beanbag chair on your floor. Try dressing comfortably when studying, such as donning comfy sweats or yoga pants. Your study space should be somewhat peaceful and distraction-free. Good luck and all the best for you. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.